Guys, please remember to watch the video until to the end. That's how I was able to cook the chicken. So please remember, watch the video to the end so I'm able to cook more chicken and more chicken videos. So guys, remember to subscribe. That's how I'll be able to buy the chicken so I could cook it. Remember.
Break yourself, fool. They say male or female. We said hell yeah.
Onions dancing while the flavors drop. Coconut milk, let it pour so nice. Stir it up with jasmine rice.
Welcome back to the Greens Family Lifestyle TV, guys. And in today's video, we'll be making the Jamaican stew chicken the authentic way. And over here, we have the brown sugar, which is going to be substituted for the browning, guys. So we don't need this. So stay tuned, guys, while I have the chicken washed up with the vinegar. Alright, guys, I'm going to go ahead and have it washed up with some vinegar. Alright, guys, I go ahead and have my chicken washed up already, and I already did have them cut. So now I'm gonna have my season. I have a sweet pepper, garlic, onion, red pepper, 2 carrots, and we have escallion and the thyme, guys. So stay tuned while I have them washed up to get them all cut up. Alright, so guys, please remember to like, share, and subscribe. I'm gonna have it washed up, guys, so stay tuned, and please remember to like up the screen, guys. Like, share, and subscribe. Alright, guys, I'm just cutting up my natural seasoning, which already started, guys. So you know, we have to keep it going because it's a family dinner tonight, guys. So now I have my onion, and guys, please remember to press the like button, guys, share, and you can leave a comment, guys.
Tastes so real. Soda doesn't grow on trees. It sure tastes like it does.
I'm just getting the garlic cut up, guys. You want to get like about 4 slices, guys. So if you guys are a lover of pepper, you could go ahead with more slices. So stay tuned, guys. Alright, guys, I'm just adding a little salt. Now I'm gonna go for the rosemary. I'm gonna add some chicken seasoning, guys. I'm gonna add some black pepper. I'm gonna add some Maggi. I'm gonna add some olive oil, guys. Yeah, guys. That's the pimento, guys. Yeah, guys, I'm just having the season all rubbed in because you want to rub it in good, guys. Remember, we are not using the browning. We're going to use the sugar for browning. So stay tuned, guys. I'm going to have the rice washed because we're going to be serving the coconut rice with green beans. So stay tuned, guys. So guys, I'm gonna let it marinate, and so follow me while I get the rice washed and placed on the stove. Alright, guys, I'm gonna go ahead and add my coconut milk to let it cook. So you really have to make it cook, guys. So I'm gonna go ahead and add it because remember, I'm making that green bean coconut rice. So I'm gonna let it cook, guys, and then I'm gonna add the green beans within the next 5 minutes. So stay tuned, guys. Guys, I'm just getting in pepper, scallion, and a peg of garlic, guys. So I'm gonna let it cook now, guys. So stay tuned and remember to like, share, and subscribe, guys. Please press up that like button, guys. Alright, guys, I'm gonna go ahead and add a little salt, not too much. So that should be good, guys. Guys, I'm gonna go ahead and add my green bean. So I'm gonna let that cook, guys. So within the next 5 minutes, I'm gonna add the rice. So stay tuned. Alright, guys, I'm gonna go ahead and add my brown sugar. Alright, guys, I already have the rice washed, so I'm gonna go ahead and add it. Alright, guys, I'm gonna go ahead and start mixing the rice boiled out. That's what I substitute for the browning, so I'm gonna let it get warm, guys, so stay tuned and you will see the finished product, guys, so stay tuned. Yes, guys, as you can see, the sugar is dissolving and it started to change color, guys. Yes, guys, I did go ahead and have my chicken placed in the pot. As you can see, guys, natural browning. And I want to say shout out to Miriam Lawrence for this menu. Authentic Jamaican browning. You see that, guys? The sugar. Loyal subscriber. It's looking lovely, guys, so stay tuned, guys. I'm in the fork pot.
Break yourself, fool. Told the man, if man go for an interview, it say, what's your date? What's your date of birth? No, it say, what's your sex? And it say male or female. He said, hell yeah.
Sexy that little butt. Come on, father. Check your rice, yeah. Hell no! Good video.
Tomorrow.
Yes, guys, as you see, I know most of you guys may be wondering, you haven't seen me put no water in the chicken, guys, but you don't have to. What I'm doing, I'm extracting whatever liquid that's in the chicken. Alright, guys, and please remember to like, share, and subscribe, guys, and watch the video till the end. That's how I was able to cook this chicken, guys, you know, so watch the video to the end. That's how I'm able to cook the chicken each day. Guys, please remember to watch the video until to the end. That's how I was able to cook the chicken. So please remember, watch the video to the end so I'm able to cook more chicken and more chicken videos. So guys, remember to subscribe. That's how I'll be able to buy the chicken so I could cook it. Remember. Yes guys, as you can see, the browning from the sugar is secreting and it's being infused in the chicken, guys. As you can see, the color is not the same color, guys. See, without no browning. So the brown sugar and the rosemary, and guys, remember we have the green bean coconut rice. Yes guys, it's a nice Thursday. Guys, subscribe and watch the video to the end, guys. This is a nice dinner. All right. Okay guys, already seen that the liquid is being extracted from the chicken, so I'm gonna go ahead and add just a little bit for the gravy, guys. So stay tuned. I'm gonna add a little ketchup. You don't have to, you could use tomato. So I'm gonna just add it for necessary reasons, guys. Alright guys, I'm gonna add maybe 3 tablespoons ketchup. I'm gonna let it cook for 20 minutes, guys. So stay tuned. Alright guys, so catch me when I'm sharing out the food, guys. Yes guys, there you have it. That's the finished product. And here we have the brown stew chicken, guys, the coconut green bean rice, and then I did make some sliced tomato with lettuce and a side of dressing which is ranch. So there you have it, guys.
Nice, stir it up with jasmine rice. Clean beans fresh, cut and clean. Cooking slow, keeping it lean. Donna scallion, bring the vibe. Healthy veggie lovers, mealtime tribe. Ooh, flavor in the pot, let it simmer low. Brown sugar bubbling, watch it glow.